is in no way inferior than. Okay, now the question is, why should it be inferior to? Now we always use, when we are talking about inferior and superior, inferior to is an idiom, by the way. It's an idiomatic expression, inferior to, and superior to. That's not an idiomatic expression, but superior to. We always use to next to it. Okay, not than. If you have to use than, then you will use it with bigger than or worse than. So these are the words that you use preposition than next to it. Otherwise you will use inferior and superior. You always use to. Okay. I got the answer as option 5, but the correct answer is 3. How come approach to providing, or is it approach to provide? Okay, now let's read the question. A market-driven approaching for provide. Okay, this is the word that is, okay, you are supposed to make improvement if there is any, or if there's no improvement, you are supposed to select none of these. District hospital beds for only those with the means would defeat the objective. Okay, now this question, if you can just go through this question once again. A market-driven approaching. We are talking about a market-driven approach for providing or to providing. Which one would be the right answer? You have to select over here. Okay, now I got the answer as option 5. Why would you select 5? The answer is given 3. Okay, now what are we talking about? We are talking about an approach. And what approach are we talking about? The approach is market driven approach. Market driven approach. And what is this approach to? This is approach to what? This is approach to providing district hospitals. Approach to providing district hospital beds for only those with the means would defeat the whole entire objective. Okay, so this is why it should be, this is 1 to providing. District hospital beds for only those with the means would defeat the entire objective. So is this clear? It's high level puzzle for me in English. Is not in infinitive. No, it is not infinitive, Shubham. We are talking about an approach, and how do we speak about an approach? We are talking about a market driven approach. Okay, and what is this approach to? This approach is to provide or to providing hospital beds. Okay, so this approach is about providing hospital beds. Okay, what is it about? It is about providing hospital beds. So that's how you know this statement will be option 3 is the right answer, and it is the right answer, Chinu. It is not option 5. Okay, can we move on to the next question? I'm very exhausted, guys. Let's just 2 plus B1 follow will not be in this case. No, Anand, this is not, we are not talking about infinitive, we are not talking about gerund. This is proper, very common normal English. Okay, if you give a comma, you will be able to understand a market driven approach, comma, to providing district hospital beds for only those with the means, comma, would defeat the purpose, the objective.